Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to install PDFfiller Chrome Extension without any stress. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, come to the top right here, click on these three dots right here. And then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to extensions. Then under the extension, click on visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on extension right here. And you have all the extensions at this section right here. Or you can simply come to the search engine right here. Click on here and type in PDFfiller. Then press enter. Then you have the result right here. So here we go. The first result right here, simply click on it and it will take you right here. PDF editor for Chrome. Edit file, sign and print. Do whatever you want to do with PDF extension. You can scroll down and read details about this particular extension right here. Just like what you see right there. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Right here, you have synchronize this on. Back up your stuff and use this on any device. Then click on yes, I'm in, and you are done. Then you can come to the top right here, click on extension, then you have it right here. You can pin the extension into your task menu right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to add PDFfiller extension in your Chrome browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.